Here's a Brinks lock we bought at Walmart, made in China. And it says pick proof. Up here it's like sister lock because we wanted two anyway. It says pick proof and yada yada yada, and there's the keys, and you can't cut it 3,600 pounds. And here's the key. Look, it's locked, unlocked. Okay, the key. Now remember, this thing ain't pick proof. Now look, locked. This guy needs a beer. Okay. Now I'm not going to use nothing. It's a butter knife. As you can see, it's just a butter knife. Let's see. Oh, looky there. Pick proof. I'll say it again. Look here. Locked. We ain't even doing nothing more than just think. There we go. Okay. I'm no longer sold on Brinks no more. Okay.